Hi riders, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new Yamaha MT7 is ready to take on the Honda Hornet CB750. So make sure to watch the full video. The Yamaha MT7 has enjoyed a lot of success globally, backed by strong sales. However, the MT7 is under serious threat from the new Honda CB750 Hornet, which promises better features and more horsepower. So, in an attempt to sway the ball back in its court, Yamaha has updated the MT7 for 2023. The 2023 Yamaha MT7 now boasts a TFT instrument cluster. The updated Yamaha MT7 bids adieu to its basic LCD and adopts a new TFT instrument cluster. The new 5-inch display has two display modes, Street and Touring, and also brings with it smartphone connectivity. When connected, the display works in sync with the Yamaha MT app, showing an array of smartphone notifications. The app also records the ride telemetry and can notify the dealership or any emergency contact if there's a problem with the motorcycle. In addition, you also get new switchgear to toggle through the TFT. Mechanically, there are no changes to the MT7. It continues to employ the 690cc twin-cylinder engine from last year and ekes out the same 72.4 horsepower. The only new bit here is that the gearbox is now quickshifter-ready. But the shifter itself, which is fitted to the MT10, is only available as an accessory. Like the engine, the telescopic forks, monoshock, disc brakes, and wheels all remain the same. 2023 Yamaha MT125 flaunts similar updates as well. Yamaha has also updated its smallest street fighter, the MT125, for 2023. It also features a Bluetooth-equipped TFT instrument cluster with two display modes. Interestingly, the baby MT also benefits from a traction control system for 2023, which seems more relevant on the MT7. Why Yamaha has skipped it on the MT7 and given it on the MT125 is questionable, especially considering the MT7's arch-rival, the Honda Hornet, has truckloads of electronics. Nevertheless, you can expect the new MT7 to reach American dealerships in early 2023. The MT125 won't come here though, as Yamaha doesn't have any sub-300cc street fighters in the States. Can the new Yamaha MT7 take on the Honda Hornet? Despite the updates, the Yamaha still trails the Hornet. The new MT7, though better than before, is still under-equipped compared to the new Honda Hornet. Plus, the Hornet undercuts the 2022 MT7. And these updates will only make the price difference bigger between the two. So in a way, the MT7 is losing more than it's gaining, at least on paper. What do you think about the new Yamaha MT7? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.